Hi there, everybody. This video is about the triangle midsegment theorem. First of all, what the heck is a midsegment? Midsegments are a segment in a triangle. Here we've got a triangle ABC. And let's say that we connected the midpoint of two of the sides. So let's say the midpoint of AB is about there. The midpoint of BC is about here. And we connected those with a line. That is the midsegment. So the midsegment is this thing. And so the question is, what properties does that have? Well, first of all, if this is the midpoint and this whole thing from A to B is 8, that means these are each 4. Okay. And same thing over here. If this is the midpoint of BC and this whole thing is 6, then each of these is 3. Okay. And now what do we know about this thing? Well, it turns out that when you connect the midpoint, connect the midpoints, that segment that you draw, that midsegment, turns out to be parallel to this other side. Okay. Let's say this angle here is 53 degrees, and this is 37 degrees. And it also turns out that this side right here, or this segment here, is half as long as this side that it's parallel to. So this is actually half a 10, which is 5. And those are the two properties of a midsegment. For now, I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna leave the proof to you in one of the assignments that you do. But again, when you connect those midpoints, you get a segment that's parallel to one of the sides, and it's also half as long as that side as well. What that stuff allows us to do is to find some missing angles, find some missing sides in triangles. For example, since these two are parallel, that means this angle and this one right here are corresponding angles. That means since that one's 53, so is that one. That also allows me now to find this angle, because these three angles have to add up to 180 because they're the angles in a triangle. 53 and 37 is 90. 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees, so that one up there has to be 90. These two right here are also corresponding angles formed by these parallel lines, so that means those two have to be 37. Just for the heck of it, let's find the rest of them. This angle right here makes a straight line with the 53, so that one will have to be 180 minus 53 is 127 degrees. Similarly, this one right here is 180 minus 37, so that would be 143 degrees. And that is the basics of the triangle midsegment theorem. Let's look at one more example. Well, we're going to connect the midpoints of those two sides. So these are the same, and these are the same. Let's say that this midsegment here is 12 units long. Let's say this one is 3x minus 6. And we want to find the value of x in this diagram. Well, we just learned that if you double this side, you get that one. Or if you cut this one in half, you get that one. Either way you want to set it up is okay. I like doubling rather than cutting in half, so I'll do it that way. So if I multiply this one by 2, I should get the length of that one. So 2 times 12 has got to equal 3x minus 6. Now we've got an equation that we can solve. 3 times 12 is 24. Add 6 to both sides, we get 3x equals 30. And then divide both sides by 3, we get 10 equals x. And we can plug it back in just to be sure. 3 times 10 is 30, minus 6 is 24, and sure enough, that is twice as big as this. So it worked. And there we go. Good luck on your assignment. See you in class. Bye.